planning on doing for Eastern Kentucky here?
Well, you know, we have a lot of work to do, as you well know.
Yes, we do.
We have a lot of work, but I really think we're making some good progress. A lot of the investments that's taking place now in infrastructure, the Economic Development Cabinet actually building build-ready sites throughout the region, industrial parks and those kind of things. You know, the Mountain Parkway has the opportunity, when it's finished in a couple of years, a major 4-lane highway all the way from US 23 back to I-64 is going to open up the whole region, with US 23 being 4-lane. And people nationally, Northeast Kentucky, well, how's that going to help us? Well, it does. It opens up the whole traffic flow, and all of a sudden we become kind of the synergy, kind of the center point of where a lot of different industries could locate. Coming out of the Carolinas into Kentucky, we have similar industries. We have aerospace, we have advanced manufacturing, we have auto assembly plants and all of that. And the feeder system, or the feeder chain, supply chain, is kind of in the middle. Eastern Kentucky is. So logistics means everything. So having a link to I-64, 23 all the way into the Northeast, into Columbus, I really think focusing on our region, all the way from Northeast Kentucky all the way down into the southeastern part of Eastern Kentucky, I really see some good energy there now.